You shall draw the shaft end like this. Next thing, you have to fill it here at 4 points. So you can see a small fillet at these 4 points. All fillet and round radii was given 2 mm. All unmentioned fillet and round radii 2 mm we have to choose. So you choose 4 mm diameter circle. So the radius will be 2 mm. This circle, sorry, this one. Similarly at the bottom. Like this in this flange 2. So next one is you have to draw this bush at 4 points here, another one here, and another one at the middle front, and another one at the back. So now I am going to draw this center line here. This center line is of distance. So you can see this pitch circle is of distance diameter 90. So from this to this point you will get 45. So I am going to draw the center line 45 mm below the main center line. You can see the outer diameter of bush is 25. So this outer diameter bush is 25. This distance is 25 mm. So 12.5, 12.5, 12.5. From here I am drawing the line 12.5 and here 25. So this one is the second bush. Only this portion will be visible because we are not sectioning at the bottom. Similarly, at the middle, From the center line, draw a small line to fill the gap, 4 mm gap, 25. So this distance will be 12.5. This distance will be 12.5. Another bush, these 3 bush, one more bush will come back, so no need to draw that, it will coincide here. Okay. The next part will be our hexagonal bolt and net. This one is a stepped bolt and net we have to draw. So before drawing this, you have to draw the side, then only we can draw this bolt. So this side we will come here. So you can see this bolt size was given from this to this point is 21.10. 21.10. So choose a circle 21.10. You cannot get this diameter circle, so I am choosing 22 mm diameter circle, approximately equal to 21.10. So this circle is of diameter 21.10. Draw this circle very light, and at this point also. So we will get 4 bolt and nut here. As I am drawing the side view, left side view, we can see the bolt. From here I can saw the bolt. So the next thing is I have to draw an arc of size half of this size, 21.10. half of it is 10.5 approximately. So measure 10.5. and cut arc here. So I am taking 10.5, approximately half of the value of 21.5, 21.10. Draw the hexagon. Then here is the outer circle, because this one is a construction circle. For drawing the hexagon only, I have drawn this circle. Then draw another circle inside the hexagon. Next thing is this hole I have to draw. Actually this bolt will protrude outside the net, so I have to draw this bolt end. This distance is 12 mm, and as this one is a threaded portion and this one is an external thread, so we will get 2 circles major circle diameter is 12, minor circle diameter is 0.9 d, which means 1.2 we have to reduce. If you reduce, we will get approximately 9.8. Sorry, from 12 mm you subtract 1.2, you will get I think 11 something. So choose 12 mm diameter circle, and then another circle which indicate the internal minor diameter. 3/4 of the circle you have to draw. If I choose 11 mm circle, then this two things will be very closer, you cannot identify it. So I am choosing a 10 mm diameter circle to draw this. The next one, in this same manner you have to draw here these 3 points. Another thing, I am going to attach this bolt over here, so this point will match here. So you can see the bolt head thickness was given 8 mm, and this distance 26, this dimension is 15 mm. Actually the inner diameter of bush is 15 mm, and this distance is also 26 mm for bush. So this 26 mm. So first we'll draw this head first. I'm going to draw this head here. The head is 8 mm thickness. So measure 8 mm. This distance is equal to 8 mm, and you have to project 4 lines. From this point I am projecting a line. From this point I am projecting. And from this point also I have marked a point here, and from this point you have to mark a point here. Then draw lines. So from this 4 point I have projected lines and draw these 4 lines. Due to chamfering the bolt at one end, you will get 3 arcs here. So draw this 3 arc. You can choose some, I think a 8 mm diameter circle will be better. For the middle circle, choose some bigger diameter. I am taking 20 mm diameter circle. Okay, I have drawn the bolt head. Then this portion is already drawn here. This point from this to this distance is 26 mm, and this distance was 15 mm. Then this portion I have to draw. The total length is 55 mm. From this point to this end, the length is 55 mm. So you mark 55 mm. So from here to here the length is 55 mm. And the diameter is 12 mm. This one 6 mm I am taking and drawing a line. So this distance is 12, 6, 6. So the threaded portion length was given 20 mm. Here you can see this distance is 20 mm. You mark 20 mm. On this point I am marking 20 mm. So the thread minor diameter I can take it as 11, because 12 mm if you subtract 1.2 you will get approximately 10.8. So you draw a line just below this major diameter. So next we are going to, I am going to attach this net here. This net length was given 10 mm. So before that we have to attach the washer. Here the washer diameter was given. Outer diameter of washer was 24 and the thickness of washer is 3 mm. So 24, 3. 24, half of that is 12. Three mm. So this one is the washer. This distance is 3 mm and from here to here the length is 24. Next one I am going to attach this bolt. This bolt thickness was 10 mm. So from here 10 mm offset, draw a rough line. As bolt and nut is of same size, I can project line from here. For net you can see the left end is chamfered. So in the same manner you draw the bolt, in the same manner you draw here. I am using 6 mm diameter circle for this arc. And 19 mm diameter for the middle one. Here you can see the small portion of the bolt end. The end will be chamfered 45 degree. In the side view, you can see the washer here. The washer is of diameter. The washer is of diameter 24. So you have to draw a circle of diameter 24.